NJBIA. Blueprint.
Making things is good for our economy and creates jobs. So in the Blueprint's Manufacturing and Innovation section, we talk about how we need to do targeted investments in innovation and manufacturing and make it easier to make things in the Garden State. Often we hear there are three things that our manufacturers really struggle with in New Jersey. Number one, they're competing with manufacturers around the country and around the world, and it's too expensive because of our tax climate and our cost of doing business here. Number two, manufacturers a lot of times are small shops. They're 30, 40 people. They're focused on making something, but they have to spend time on compliance and worrying about all the new rules coming out of Trenton. So we need to deregulate our state to make sure we find that right balance. Number three is our manufacturers tell us they have trouble finding the skilled workers they need. And if they don't have enough workers, they're not able to make the products that they want to sell. One solution that came out of the bipartisan bicameral manufacturing caucus in the legislature was to create something called the Gear Commission. Something that looks at red tape, looks at government efficiencies, look at rules that go too far beyond the statutes passed by the legislature is needed to make sure that we're not burdening these manufacturers beyond what they can handle. Another thing that's critical for manufacturing is there's an organization called the New Jersey Manufacturing Extension Program, NJMEP. They're one of the more successful MEP programs in the country. This is funded by the federal government, also funded by the state, thankfully. But we need to make sure that funding stays, that funding grows. This is a fantastic resource for our manufacturers throughout the state, and we're only going to grow manufacturing if these guys are at their side.